are no highlights. Everything is a highlight. Thank you.
Well, Vicki, with you on every trip, it's so great to have you with me. We've become very good friends. And
You're like a
I know,
sister.
I'm just so grateful that you're here.
The sister I never had.
Hello, Miss Kay.
Hello, Miss Yolanda.
You only need 10 seconds. I hope you understand it because it's heartfelt. I appreciate what you put together for us. And I just want to say, I know like we were talking about highlights, it was just wonderful. Awesome. It was wonderful. And I just want to thank you for leading me to this blessing.
Oh, God, I'm so glad that you too. Thank you. And I was a little worried at first because I wasn't sure. You kept talking about all the things, how picky you were and everything. I said, oh, God, I hope she's going to like it. So thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Kay, my sister cousin from another mother. I am so glad that you convinced me to take this journey. I didn't need convincing beyond my mother being ill, as you know, because I absolutely wanted to do this. But then I reached that challenge with my mother being ill, and I just didn't know if I could come. But all roads led to the Serengeti. So I was positioned and ready to come, and here I am. And I know my mother would be pleased. I am so happy I did it because, honestly, after coming here, I realized after seeing all of those safari vehicles and all the various companies, just looking and observing, none of them has done the detail and the love that you've put into this trip. So, destined to travel, if anybody ever wanted to travel anywhere, I don't care what level of income they have or whatever, I'm telling you, if you don't come with Kay, you're in trouble. You are not going to have an experience that you would have with Kay, destined to travel. So thank you for all that you've done. 7 years, 7 more years to come, and I plan on being right here with you. Destined to travel 2. T-O-O.
Thank you. I'm so glad to share this experience with you.
So I just thank you for being you. And when I grow up, I want to be just like you.
Oh.
Well, cousin, this has been such a blessing. The highlight of my trip is seeing your passion to really share the gift of Africa and specifically Tanzania with people. And another highlight is that you really want to empower the people of Tanzania, right? So many people not only have come to Africa and Tanzania and taken, but I see you really giving. And so that's been a highlight for me, in addition to the animals, is your heart to give to the continent and to give to the community and give to the people. And so I just want to say thank you for your passion to expose us and your passion to reconcile things between probably America and Africa. And just thank you for sharing this gift with us and for putting your whole self into it. It's a lot of work, and I can see that every single day, every single second, you're thinking about how to make this a better experience and a more personal experience. So I just want to say thank you for giving us your whole heart as the experience.
So much to me. I'm so glad that you were here. Thank you.
Well, we have another little treat for you. You've had all of us guessing and getting these wonderful gifts. Money to spend, the first spending money for our beautiful bracelets. So now we have a little question for you. And if you can answer this question, then we have a surprise for you. Okay? So the question is, how much money do you think, totally, collectively, what is the total amount you think we have spent? Plus or minus $100. If you get within $100 range, you get a gift. How much do you think we've spent in gifts and in,
Oh my God. I haven't been watching it.
Just give us your best guesstimate. Based on standing with people, watching them buy tanzanite and bracelets and earrings.
Eating extra bags.
I'd say $3,500.
Wow.
Okay.
That is
You won. We said within our $100 range, but we'll give you $1,000. So you won. All total we spent spent $4,605 as of this morning. That did not exceed this
Doesn't
last
include
hour.
the last
We
two
keep
stops.
stopping along.
Right.
Right.
Doesn't include the last
Not
two stops.
include
So
the
I
last
bought
two
again.
stops. Right, exactly. And we still have another stop to go. So we thank you for giving us the opportunity to give back to Tanzania for projects such as this. This is amazing. And so thank you for that. And our gift, we have, Jasmine?
Actually, it's in my bag.
Is it in the back? Okay. We have a little